Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free traffic from Germany for CPA marketing. Guys, I have selected high-paying CPA offers from OGAds network. Here you can see recently I have created a smart link. In this smart link, I have added CPA offers who needs Germany visitors. Here you can see I have added lots of CPA offers in this smart link. Here you can see accepted country. It's Germany. And here you can see accepted device, desktop, Android, Apple iOS. After creating a smart link, I have made attractive landing page with the AI platform. I have inserted a smart link on this button. Guys, if you do not know how to create a smart link, how to create landing page, and how to insert a smart link on this landing page, then after watching this video, you can watch my previous video. You can check link in the description. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free traffic from Germany. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Guys, you can visit on Lukanto.de platform. This is a best and most popular advertising platform in Germany. This platform have lots of categories to choose from. Here you can see categories about fashion and beauty, music, film and books, car, bike and boat, personal ads, events, home and garden, jobs, services, property, courses. You can promote any kind of products and services using this platform. Here you can see lots of people are promoting their products on this platform. Here you can see this person is selling this product in 5 euros. This person is selling this product in 2 euros. This person is selling this product in 7 euros. You can see there are a lot of people selling their product using this platform. Let me show you how you can advertise your services using this platform. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on register button. Let me translate this platform. You can click on register button. You can click here. Now you can type here your email address and then you can click on register now button. You can check your inbox to verify your email address. You can type your username. You can type your password. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. Guys, here you can see if you will get base account, then you can get these features. If you will create premium account, then you can get all of these features. For premium account, you will have to spend some money. You can click on this button to create basic account. Now in next step, you can click on place an ad button. You can type your headline. Guys, I'm going to promote my landing page. Here is showing headline, here is showing description. Copy this headline. Now you can go on this platform. You can paste here that headline. Click on this button. You can choose your category. You can see my landing page is related to movie, film. You can choose your category. You can type your film. Now you can type your description. You can type this kind of a description. Now you can paste here your landing page URL. You can go on this platform. You can click here. Here is showing landing page URL. Click here to copy this URL. Now I'm going to shorten this URL. You can use any URL shortener platform. You can visit on this website. You can paste here your landing page URL. Now you can click on this button. Here is showing shorten URL. You can click here to copy this URL. Now you can go on this website. You can type your check it. You can paste here your URL. Now you can click on this button. You can upload your image. You can upload your movie poster. You can visit on MX Player platform. You can take a screenshot of this page. Now you can go on this platform. You can upload your that screenshot. You can click on this button. I'm going to translate this page. You can type your price. You can select your condition. If you want, you can type here your telephone number. This phone number will be visible in your ad. You can paste here your website URL. you can paste here your landing page URL. You can go on this Shortener platform. I have shortened this landing page URL. Click here to copy this shortened URL. Now you can paste here that shortened URL. Click on this button. You can select your city. You can open new tab and you can search your top city in the Germany. Here you can see these are the top cities. I'm going to use this city. You can visit on this platform. You can type your city name. You can click on this button. You can see everything is looking great. Guys, you can upload your more pictures. This will help you to attract visitors. At last, you can click on place an ad button. It will then take you to this page. If you want to get more visitors, then you will have to spend some money. You can choose any of these packages. You can click on continue button. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, great. Your ad will be published in few minutes. You can click here. Guys, here is showing my advertisement. Here is showing image. Here is showing title. Here is showing description. And here is showing clickable text. When any person will click on this URL, then they will be redirected on this landing page. Guys, I have inserted OGAds smart link on this button. When people from Germany click on this button, then OGAds network will show CPA offers according to visitors. When that visitor will complete any of this CPA offer, then you can get conversion. For that conversion, you can get paid. After completing any of this CPA offer, your visitor will be redirected on this URL. Your visitor can watch full movie on this MX Player platform. Guys, you can see Lukanto is a best and most popular in Germany country. You can get lots of website traffic from Germany country. You can generate good amount of conversions using this platform. Guys, if you do not know how to make attractive landing page, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.